Well, it's January the 26th. It's nearly 1 o'clock. I thought I'd get the pickup out of the garage and ride around, see what the roads look like. So come on, we'll take a little ride and see what it looks like. Well, it's a pretty day. It's nice and sunny, but it's still in the 20s. It looked like a solid sheet of ice, or at least on the city streets. I'll be out on the main street here in a minute and we'll see what it looks like. But I'm coming up on Pine Mill Road. There's Aiken Elementary right there. Looks like the whole campus is just solid ice. Man, you can't stop. I hit the brakes and definitely slide. Well, we're on Pine Mill. Like a solid sheet of ice. We'll be up here in a minute. We'll be up here on Collegiate. We'll see what it looks like. It's a little bit more of a main street. Well, here's Collegiate. Don't look like it's any better. I thought it's a little more of a main street, you know, used a lot more. I figured it would be a little more clear, but it's nothing but a solid sheet of ice either. Like they're clearing out parking lots. Donut shop looks like it's open. You can't stop though, even with this four-wheel drive. You better give yourself plenty of room. Yeah, it looks like it's Paris Coffee Company. Looks like it's opened up a line. See a few businesses open. I don't see a soul at the bank though. Coming up on Lamar, see if I can get turned without sliding. I'm going to turn west, head towards town. Even out here on Lamar, it's a main street. It's still solid ice. Sefco's open. Yeah, looks like the Dairy Queen's open. There's a Sonic. Not many cars there, but it is open. Most of these businesses look shut down though. Can't tell. Looks like the China Star may be open. Not real sure. There's cars there. That looked like Shoal Brothers Barbecue's open. A lot of cars there. So if you want some barbecue, looks like they're open. Power line's down right there. I came by here a couple days ago and it was down. Well, it looks like Brookshire's is open, so if you need some groceries, they are open. I was at Walmart earlier, they're open too. So. Trees still got plenty of ice on them. I'm just glad it didn't get so bad that all the limbs started breaking off like we had a few years ago. We're going hill. If you got to stop here, it's probably not a good thing because it'll be hard to stop. So I'm trying to give it plenty of room. Hope the guy behind me stops. Hard to believe, even all this ice, people still in a hurry. Looks like somebody's out cleaning the parking lot of the Liberty Nationals off. I don't think it's open. It don't look open. I guess it's possible, but it don't look open. Yeah, I'm going right on through this. I ain't gonna try to stop. Got a little clear right here. He must put some salt in these places. Kind of on the incline. If you ain't got four-wheel drive, you know, it's kind of hard to take off your little light rear-wheel drive car. Yeah, we're approaching the square. We'll go around the square and we'll go down Clarksville Street and see what it looks like over there. Looks like pure slush up here. Did got one lane kind of cleared, but it's pretty nasty. Turn. Don't look like too much is open downtown. Well, we're down Clarksville Street. It looks like it's just pretty much solid ice over here too. Looks like over here on the right, looks like Kroger's is open. Can't really tell. There's some cars over there at the Family Dollar there in the Williamsburg Shopping Center. I guess it's open. Not real sure. Yeah, it looks like the Dollar General here on Clarksville is open. These, if you got an incline, you got a lightweight car with rear-wheel drive, and you get stopped, it may be hard to take off. Yeah, if you want some Italian food, looks like there's a few cars there at Capizzi, so it looks like it's open. We're almost down here to Collegiate. I'm gonna turn right on Collegiate and go out and see what it looks like. Go out by the high school and go out on the loop and see if the loop's clear. Yeah, we're turning on Collegiate. We're right here between the police station and the junior college, and it's nothing but a sheet of ice too. I ain't been on a road yet it's clear. Everything's solid ice. We'll go go out here by the high school, and then we'll get on the loop and we'll see what it looks like. Well, I'm coming up on the Civic Center and the Eiffel Tower and the Veterans Memorial. Looks like, don't look like, you don't see that very often. Nobody at the Eiffel Tower. Although there is a pickup on the parking lot. Look like he's doing some donuts out there, having a good time. Go up here by the high school and out to the loop. Well, we're right here by the high school, approaching Loop 286. We're going to turn left. See what the loop looks like. If anything's going to be clear, I would think it would be the loop, but I hadn't found anything clear yet. Although I've seen a couple of cars go by and they was going pretty quick, but we'll find out. Yeah, it looks like it may be clear. Or, of course, that can be deceiving. You come up on some of that black ice. Looks like at least they got some of it. There's not any ice that I can see out here, but like I say, it could fool you. There could be some. There's a shot of the high school parking lot, stadium. I'd say if you're out here on the loop, still be very cautious, because you never know when you hit that black ice. As soon as you get off the loop, man, you're right back into the ice. Even though this exit ramp's kind of slushy, I still wouldn't want to risk it. Yeah, it looks like Walgreens is open over there. They're out shoveling ice out from in front of their door. Behind this little old car right here, if he was to stop, he may have trouble getting started on this incline, so I'm going to stay back. Yeah, we're right here by Brahms. Looks like it's open, so if you want a hamburger, looks like you stop by there. Well, I'm back on Pine Mill Road. It's solid ice. Well, I'm almost back home. My recommendation is, if you don't have to get out in this, don't. If you're in a four-wheel drive, you'll be okay, but you still got to give yourself plenty of time to stop, because even though you hit the brakes, that don't mean you're going to stop even in a four-wheel drive. Now, if you're in a car with rear-wheel drive and you get on one of these inclines, it's slick. You may have trouble taking off. So, like I say, if you don't have to get out, don't. But there is some businesses open, so if you need groceries or something to eat, there is several businesses open. So, I'm almost back home, and hey, thank you for watching.